What's up, everyone? My name is Frank. Hope you're all having a great night tonight. As you can see, I'm not in my gaming position. I am walking home in the snowstorm, guys. Craziness. This is crazy. Montreal just got a massive snowstorm. Buses were canceled, so I had to walk home from school. Luckily, the metros were still open. I took the metro to the nearest metro station and I walked home from there. This is my first ever official vlog, guys. I keep saying vlog. This is my first official vlog on YouTube. I wanted to do my first vlog going to Toronto for my friend's birthday, but I decided this was a great opportunity to let you guys into more of my life. Look at me. Holy crap. Look at my beard. Wow, luckily I'm wearing a Canada Goose and I've got my Timbs on. But this is nonsense. Look at this. Look at that. Snow is everywhere. The snow is literally up to my knees in some parts. Crazy. Absolute mind-blowing, guys. Wow. I am almost home. Final stretch, guys. I want to film the final stretch for you all. This is absolute madness. I know a bunch of school boards are closed tomorrow. Thank God. As I get destroyed by the snow. Okay, let's turn around. Holy crap, look at my beard. Guys, look at my beard. Wow. You know, I should really carry around a pair of ski goggles with me. Oh my God. Let me take this off. Alright, we're good, guys. We're not good. We're not good. Slowly making my way home, guys. Well, yeah, let's, we're gonna turn around. We're gonna walk backwards. I'm gonna look at the camera, look at my phone, make sure no one's coming from behind me, even though my street is a one-way street. Holy crap. You would think, what time is it now? I don't know what time it is. Can I check on here? No, I don't know what time it is. It's probably like 11 o'clock at night right now. You think the city of Montreal would come down my street and clear out the street? No, that's why I'm walking on the street. The sidewalks are a disaster. Absolute craziness. Okay, guys. Usually it takes me like 20 seconds to walk down my street. It took me freaking almost 3 minutes to walk down my street. That's crazy. That is crazy, guys. Look, I'm going to switch the camera around so you guys can see what I'm seeing right now. I'm going to show you just how high the snow is. Absolute craziness, guys. Alright, he is plowing his way through, guys. Look at him go. Oh boy, poor car. He ain't got no more front bumper, that's for sure. Alright, this is my house. This is my street. Chaos. Look how the snow is above my ankle. Above my ankle, these are my bushes. They are about my knee height. Look at that. Look how much snow there is. That is crazy. That is crazy. Look at my poor Honda. It's about to be covered, guys. Holy crap. Here, I'm gonna move some snow away for you all so you guys can see. Just how much snow there actually is. I don't know if that gives you a good idea. Not really, but it's basically up to my knee. Up to my knee. Alright. I'm just getting destroyed right now by snow. The final steps to finally make it home. I can't wait to get warmed up. The dreaded steps, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, guys. That freaking hurt. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna walk up steps, hold on to the railings, guys. Okay. Okay. Oh, please tell my mom is at the door. Hello? I'm not gonna get my keys. No way. No way I'm gonna reach for my keys. Hello? Alright, Ashley opens the door. Hello? Santa Claus is here. Oh, look at my beard. Guys, look at my beard. Look at this. Oh my god. My face is red like a tomato. Look at my gloves. My gloves are white. They used to be black. That's crazy. It feels good to be inside and warming up, everyone. I'm gonna conclude the vlog right here. I hope you all enjoyed my first vlog, guys. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Frank. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with my content. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please drop all a like and a comment down below. Share with your friends. Look at this. What is this? It's like a beard booger, guys. Oh, that's my actual beard. That's my actual beard. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go warm up. You all stay inside, stay warm, and I will see you all on the next video. Peace. This is crazy. Oh my god. Look at that. A freaking beard booger. That's my